Hi, I'm Mark J. Santos, an authorized wholesaler of JC. Curious ka ba kung paano nagwo-work ang negosyo namin?
Retailing. May hawak kang products, ibebenta mo sa customer, pagkabayad, meron kang income. Wholesaling. Mas madami ang benta, mas madami ang income. And ang very trending na dropshipping. Gusto mo pang malaman about this? Panoorin mo to.
What makes JC Dropshipping such a hit? JC Dropshipping works like this. You, as a dropshipper, act as the retailer. You will have your own customized online store with high-quality products that you can promote to your friends and advertise to attract customers. Soon enough, a customer sees your product and purchases it from your online store at the retail price. Once that happens, JC will receive the order, verify the payment, pack the products, and ship them directly to your customer. JC will then pay you your profit, which is the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price you're entitled to. For example, let's say you send your online store link to a friend and your friend buys a box of JC organic barley for 1,200 pesos. As a JC dropshipper, your wholesale price can be as low as 480 pesos. The company will receive the order, verify the payment, pack, and ship the JC organic barley directly to your customer, and pay you your profit of 720 pesos to your JC wallet, which you can encash to your personal bank account or via company check. The more you share your online store link and run ads to promote it, the more products you can sell, and the more you earn. It's that simple.
Kung naghahanap ka ng legit business this 2025, JC is for you. Gusto mo nang simulan? Message mo ang taong nag-send ng video na to, isa ako sa mga tutulong sa iyo. See you and God bless!